1, 2, here we go, 3.
It's me, the queen of the bowl, striding out the stall like I'm on a stroll. Boots so pink and my curves divine. When I walk in the room, even toilets shine. I'm that stinky sensation, the flush fascination, wiping out haters like a gas evacuation. Don't need perfume, I got my funk. I'm the baddest little poop in a bathroom trunk. I'm a cool woman. Yeah, I'm smooth, I'm bold, I'm flush and fabulous.